What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
The other one holds a butter knife, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off, you know. It creates like an equilibrium, you know. Mind, body, and so science is for the mind, comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a
level of shame and guilt in it, while you're also...
Well, I moved up to LA. I went to college in Montana.
What was that like?
I like that you came to my house blindfolded. It gave you mystery. It gave you
Like $1 million.
Okay.
Kim Kardashian. She just smells like weight.
Myself, I know.
I have a question for you.
Sure.
Do you mind?
Please.
Becoming known.
Super strong. I'm a little worried about Eddie.
extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.